Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Kisan. Today we will learn about how to create ReactJS environmental setup. Let's start our video. In this video, let's create a first React app. To create this, we use two things. First is VS Code or code editor. I recommend to use VS Code. To download VS Code, go to Google and type download the VS Code editor. Click on the first link. Then choose according to your laptop or PC specification. I choose Windows 10 first. It, it takes it takes some time to download. Also, the another thing to download is Node.js. Type nodejs.org and choose the 14.16.0 LTS recommended for most user version. Then go to the VS Code setup. Enter. I accept the agreement. You should read the agreement carefully. Type next, next, next. Create a desktop icon. Next, then install it. It will take some time. That depends on your laptop or PC. Finished. Then install Node.js. Next, I accept the terms in the license agreement. Next, 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 install. It will take also some time to install. Node.js has been successfully installed. Then close all the windows. Then create first React app. Go to CMD, type CMD. To install create React app command, you should type the command that is npm install create React app -z. It means it install the create React app globally. Type enter. It will take some time. That depends on your internet connection. Successfully installed. Then type the command create. I I will install my create React on desktop on the folder my app. So change directive to desktop. Also change directive to my app. Then install it. Then type create React app and your app name. For example, contact system. Installing package. This might take a couple of minutes. Installing React, React DOM, React script. It will take some time. That depends on your internet connection. Successfully install all the packages of ReactJS. To, to run your project, after that, to run your project, go to terminal, new terminal, change directive to your app name, contact contact system, then type npm start. It will run your project on your browser. Starting the development server. Here is your first React app. Then in VS Code editor, you should install the extension. Required extension for React.js is like auto import, then ES7, React Redux. Next extension, then you should install live server, live server, then prettier code formatter. It will format your code. Then React.js code snippet. It will give you a shortcut key for your code. Here is the list of extension required for React.js code. Thanks for watching.